Good day. Inorganic Chemistry Assessment 1. So today I'm going to discuss about balancing chemical equation using trial and error method. This method requires the following steps. First, identify the elements present in both sides of the chemical equation. Chemical equation is divided into two parts, the reactants and the product. When we say reactants, these are the substances that start a chemical reaction. And when we say products, are substances that are produced by the reaction. Okay, in this example, the methane producing carbon dioxide, the CH4 plus O2 is the reactants. Producing CO2 plus H2O is the product. So, step number 1, identify the elements that are present in chemical equation. Okay, the elements that are present in the chemical equation are carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Okay, step number 2, count the number of atoms of each element in both sides of the chemical equation. We have two kinds of the number, the subscript and the coefficient. Yung mga number na nasa baba ng elements, yun yung tinatawag nating subscript. And yung coefficient, yun yung ina-add para maging balance ang chemical equation. So mamaya makikita nyo kung ano ang coefficient. Okay, determine the element which is the unbalanced. In the equation, in chemical equation CH4 plus O2 producing CO2 plus H2O, ang hindi balance are the hydrogen and the oxygen. Okay. So, let's proceed with the step number 4. Balance the unbalanced atom. So, yung nakikita nyong 2 na may highlight na pink, yun yung coefficient. Dinagdag natin sa chemical equation para maging balance. So, kanina, ang unbalanced, the hydrogen and the oxygen. So, we have the 4 hydrogen. In order to make it 4, we need to add the 2 coefficients sa ating product. So, nagiging na siyang 4. Sa oxygen naman, kailangan natin mag-add ng 2 sa reactant ng coefficient ng oxygen para 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Sa product naman ng oxygen, since nag-add tayo ng 2 coefficient sa hydrogen, magiging siyang 4 because may dati ng 1, may dati ng 3 atoms ang oxygen. So at this point, all the elements in both sides of the chemical equation is already balanced, giving 1 atom of carbon, 4 atoms of hydrogen, and 4 atoms in oxygen in both sides of the chemical equation. The hydrogen in product side is deficit 2 atoms, meanwhile the oxygen atom in both sides are unbalanced. Let's have another simple example. In chemical equation, SnO2 plus H2 producing Sn plus H2O or yung tinatawag nating titanium oxide. Okay? So identify first the elements that are present in chemical equation. The Sn, the tin, the oxygen, and the hydrogen. So you have seen the number of atoms in step number 2. Okay, yung 2 naman na may highlight na pink is the coefficient para maging balance na yung ating chemical equation. So, in SnO2 plus H2 producing SnH2O, nag-add tayo ng 2 na coefficient. So, naging balance na yung ating Sn given. We have 1 in reactant and we have 1 in products. So, 2 for the reactants of oxygen. So, nag-add tayo ng 2 sa hydrogen, kaya naging 1 times 1 is equal to 2. Nag-add tayo sa reactant, nag-add tayo ng 2 sa hydrogen, kaya 2 times 2 is equal to 4. Sa product naman, meron tayong 2 na atoms times 2. Nag-add tayo ng 2 na coefficient, kaya naging siyang 4. So, balance ang ating equation. So, that's all. Thank you.